Guess where I'm at today? It is a very unusual location for me, but I am in the kitchen once again. And I'm going to try and figure a way to. क्या है ये? Today in the Karname kitchen, we are making dosa. I think it should be a little simple to make. Oh, mama playing with fire. Oh, this is why I don't come to the kitchen. Isn't this supposed to be easy? I really don't have to do anything but place the batter on the tawa properly. But you know how much of a chef I am. So my expectations from myself are actually still pretty low. I actually have made dosas before and they turned out to be pretty bad. So needless to say, this should be considered my first ever dosa making experience. The thing is, I actually don't know how to make dosa. I think the batter should make things easier for me, and at the same time I don't know how to make the aloo. So I made things even more simpler for myself by ordering podi masala. And all the South Indians and dosa lovers can come at me for ordering podi masala from this place, but I really didn't have an option, so we're just going to have to deal with it. I had thought of putting the mic in my necklace, but my necklace slash pendant is in my room. So is this a good makeshift way of using my mic? I'm not even sure if the mic is doing the job. Yeah, I should just. Today I'm in my most comfy ghar ke kapde. I'm wearing my Cold Mess t-shirt. Shout out Pratik Kuhar. Shout out Jugaad Motion Pictures. The tawa is here. I am going to find a bowl. Should be fine. I guess we'll just. Can I just say this is really ugly? This is also equally ugly. Okay, whatever. Let's just focus on making the dosa. यार मुझे ना वो नहीं मिल रहा. वो जो करछी जैसी होती है ना, जो ऐसे scooped करछी होती है. I can't find that. That is killing my vibe because I need that. I think that is going to cause the circular thing of my dosa. I think I'm giving up on the karchi and using this. No, I can't be using this. Otherwise, I'll have to use this also, right? To flatten it. It's okay, we'll figure. I think you start by putting some oil on the tawa. So that's what I'm going to do. I don't know how much. The thing is, guys, believe me when I say I don't know how to cook क्योंकि मैं तेल इससे spread कर रही हूँ. Even if you think I'm a crazy master chef, I'm not. I don't think anybody believes that I'm a master chef. On that note, I think तवा थोड़ा गर्म हो गया है. Here goes nothing, guys. Oh shit, it's not circular. Oh my god, एक ही motion में करना होता है भाई. Whatever. Hey, plate. As you can tell, this doesn't come naturally to me. I think I'm stressing out too much. This is like not bad. Oh mama. Oh yeah, I think I'll start again. This is why I don't come to the kitchen. I didn't let it sit for like 2 minutes also is the thing. So this batter is gone. It's okay, we can start over. यार ये मैं तवे का फॉल्ट भी नहीं बोल सकती, तो मेरा ही फॉल्ट था. राउंड 2. बहुत सारा तेल डल गया है. भाई had actually opted to gift me a dosa maker. I think मुझे वो ही ले लेना चाहिए था considering how much I like dosa and my skills at dosa making. भाई if you are watching this, कर दो मुझे ये 4 paper printer, dosa printer जो भी है आपका, दे दो. नहीं हो पा रहा है मुझसे यार, ये तो बहुत ही मोटा बन गया है. And I think I will need more batter. While this is happening, I have some time to talk to you about the elephant in the room. You must have noticed if you've been here for a while that I did skip out on like 3-4 days in a row, and I have skipped on multiple days before that. I think that's because I started putting too much pressure on myself for this challenge, that I need to look a certain way, or that I need to dress a certain way, talk a certain way, or like I should have a theme, this, that. Normal life में नहीं हो रहा है कुछ. Sometimes I'm going out, having fun, having the time of my life, and the other times I'm home, chilling, still fine. But so I think I put a lot of pressure. Oh my god, should I? Oh, Bro, this is something. This is not bad. I think I'm just going to eat like crumbs of dosa. I think it's the tawa ka issue, not my issue. It is looking crispy. Mama, if you're worried about me, you are right to be worried about me because I'm playing with fire. Bro, I desperately need someone to give me cooking classes because this is not happening. मैं seriously बता रही हूँ, I would have made a better dosa, but this tawa is just. I think I should just. ये तवे से नहीं हो पा रहा है. I really don't think this is any better. It is not a. But it's okay. But you know what? Actually, I'm pretty proud of the crispiness of the first one. Like it's actually like exactly how I would want it to be. And if you can hear it, it's crispy. So mission sort of successful. Oh, on है. I don't care about health when it comes to dosa. तुम्हें भाई जितने तेल की ज़रूरत है तुम करो. Oh yeah, talking about consistency. The dosa consistency was fine, but my consistency has been a little bit questionable. Shit, ये बहुत ugly है और ये तेल में dissolve हो गया है. This doesn't seem edible. I don't even want to show it to you guys. It just doesn't seem edible. Should I just order? मुझे लगता है मैंने ज़्यादा तेल डाल दिया यार. This is not working. Technically, at this point, I should give up. But because of the person that I am, I'm going to give it one more shot before giving up. Because, yeah, I'm not even making this up. This is happening in front of you. ये ऐसी चीज़ें क्यों बनाते हैं लोग? Bro, मुझे पसीना आ रहा है अब. I think after this, I'm giving up. How do you open this? ब्रदर ये खुल नहीं रहा है मुझसे. मेरी गलती नहीं है, मतलब मेरी ही गलती है. जस्ट इनफ फॉर वन मोर. आई थिंक आई पुट मोर बट should I order food in case this doesn't work out? It's already 10. I think that would be the only smart thing that I'm doing in this entire video. Ordering food. Okay, one last time. मुझे लगता है मैंने आधी तेल की बॉटल इसमें ख़त्म कर दी होगी और कोई डोसा मुझसे ढंग से बन नहीं. I am just amazing. I don't think any chef should be watching this. Why would you want to put yourself through this? I am getting that dosa maker. I don't care what anyone says. This is not as easy as it seems. I have respect for all dosa makers in the world. Isn't this supposed to be easy? मैंने सोचा था कि मैं इसको ऐसे talk with me, come make a dosa with me and then let's have a chat. Make dosa with me while I tell you about how my 15 days have been. कैसे बात करूँ मैं? बात कैसे करूँ जब मुझसे डोसा नहीं बन पा रहा है? Crisp is good. If this comes out successfully, this is my dinner. I need to figure. I am just grape. There might be some development. Are you seeing this? Okay, I'm making use of my left hand for this, but like, oh, I got it. Did I get it? Oh, I got a half burnt dosa, but I got it out. Oh, so I wasn't using enough consistency. Let's go. Enough consistency nahi, I wasn't using enough batter. Oh, that's why you're taught to be generous in life. Because if you're not, you're stuck with a broken dosa. Okay, no, I think this is too much generosity. We'll figure, everything is figure outable in life if you want it to be. Not bad. I think I can do this. And if I do this well, I'm going to make dosa for breakfast, dosa for lunch and dosa for dinner. I think I got the edges too thick. Okay, I have 6% on my Diju. I might have to record this on my phone. But for this dosa, it is crispy. It is crispy. Okay, for this dosa, I think you should like, share, subscribe. Because who else is such a bad chef in the world? If there is, they can come challenge me and I'll win. See, everything gets better with time. As Naina says, थोड़ा वक्त दो सब सही हो जाएगा. So whoever needs to hear this, oh see I have improved. बस मुझे ये खोलना है अब. My sort of, I deserve a shout out from Sanjeev Kapoor for making this dosa. Okay, I'm not making any more because if I make more, it will spoil the entire mood of the night. I don't know where the ghee is. मैं पूर्णाची को पूछ के आती हूँ कि घी किधर है और उसी से ये खुलवा लेती हूँ क्योंकि I have done too much. We are out of क्या ghee, so I'm melting the butter and having the podi with it, provided the podi का डब्बा opens. Aurika's designer, in Purnachi's words, deserves to be fired. पता चला? I think I've done too much कारनामा for today. Purnachi is still trying to figure out कि इसको खोलना कैसे, कि इसको खोलना. ओए, we don't use that kind of language on the vlog.
It's frick on. My bad.
छी, ये तो और बुरा था. उससे नहीं खुल पा रहा है. मैंने सीजर लेके उसके अंदर छेद कर दिया ऑलरेडी ताकि मैं खा पाऊँ. But she is just not giving up, being the elder sibling that she is. You know what? At least let me put it on my plate and then you can figure it out. क्योंकि ये ठंडा हो जाएगा. ये देखा, valid reason दे दिया, वापस मिल गया मुझे. Guys, Purnachi has done the impossible. Oh my god. He has just cartoed. Literally cartoed. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Okay, whatever. Oh, bhai, cockroach. Oh, mama. Everything is figure-outable if you want it to be. Remember that. मुझे लगता है मैंने ज़्यादा तेल डाल दिया यार. बहुत सारा तेल डल गया है. मैंने आधी तेल की बॉटल इसमें ख़त्म कर दी होगी. Like, share, subscribe. See you. Also, I didn't really need anything from the cupboard. I just wanted to do this.